Did you know that just 10 minutes of stretching in the morning can boost your energy more than a cup of coffee? Surprising, right? Most of us start our day rushing, checking our phone, or skipping movement completely. But imagine if you could wake up your body, refresh your mind, and set a positive tone for the entire day, all with a simple morning stretch routine. Hello guys, welcome back to our fitness and health channel. I'm so happy you're here today. In this video, I'll guide you through a beginner-friendly morning stretch routine that anyone can do. No equipment, no stress, just 10 minutes that can change your day. Stay with me till the end because I'll also share the real benefits backed by science, plus some practical tips to keep you motivated. Let's be honest, mornings can be tough. Many of us wake up feeling stiff, tired, or even unmotivated. Maybe your back hurts from sleeping, maybe your muscles feel tight from sitting all day, or maybe you just feel sluggish. Skipping movement in the morning often leads to low energy, poor posture, and less productivity during the day. And yes, it also increases the chance of small pains, like stiff necks or sore lower back. But the good news is you don't need a gym, you don't need expensive tools. A simple routine of stretching for 8 to 10 minutes every morning can completely transform how your body feels. It's like pressing the reset button. All right, friends, let's dive into our beginner-friendly morning stretch flow. You can do this right after waking up, even in your bedroom. Just make sure you have enough space to move your arms and legs freely. Let's go step by step. Step 1, neck and shoulder stretch, 1 minute. Sit or stand tall. Slowly tilt your head to the right, hold for 10 seconds, then to the left. Roll your shoulders backward and forward. This relieves neck stiffness and releases shoulder tension, especially if you spend long hours on phone or laptop. Step 2, cat-cow stretch, 1 minute. Get on your hands and knees. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your head and chest. That's the cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin. That's the cat pose. This wakes up your spine and improves flexibility. Great for people with back tightness. Step 3, standing forward fold, 1 minute. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend forward, let your arms and head hang loose. If you can't touch the floor, no worries, bend your knees slightly. This stretches your hamstrings and lower back while calming your mind. Step 4, side stretch, 1 minute. Stand straight, raise both arms overhead. Hold your right wrist with your left hand and bend to the left side. Switch sides after 20 seconds. This opens up the sides of your body and helps with deeper breathing. Step 5, hip opener butterfly stretch, 1 minute. Sit down, bring the soles of your feet together, knees out. Hold your feet, gently press knees toward the floor. This improves hip mobility and relieves tension if you sit for long hours. Step 6, seated spinal twist, 1 minute. Sit with legs straight, bend your right knee and place foot outside your left thigh. Place your right hand behind you, left elbow outside the knee, gently twist. Hold 15 seconds, switch sides. This massages your spine and improves digestion. Step 7, chest opener stretch, 1 minute. Stand or kneel, interlace your fingers behind your back, straighten your arms, and gently lift your chest. This opens your chest, improves posture, and counteracts the hunched sitting position. Step 8, child's pose, 1 minute. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, stretch arms forward, forehead down. This is a relaxing full body stretch, calming for your mind, and great for your lower back. Step 9, standing quad stretch, 1 minute. Stand tall, hold your right ankle behind you, pull gently toward your glutes. Balance using a wall if needed, switch legs. This stretches the front thigh muscles and improves balance. Step 10, deep breathing stretch, 1 minute. Stand tall, feet apart. Inhale, raise arms up wide. Exhale, bring them down slowly. Repeat 5 times. This increases oxygen flow, reduces stress, and leaves you feeling fresh. Congratulations, you just completed your 10-minute beginner morning stretch routine. Simple, right? You can do this daily, and trust me, your body will thank you. Benefits and scientific reasons. Now, let's talk about why this routine works. Improves blood circulation. When you stretch, your blood flow increases, carrying oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. This wakes you up naturally. Reduces morning stiffness. Our joints get tight overnight. Stretching lubricates them, reducing aches and stiffness. Boosts energy and focus. Studies show morning stretching can improve concentration and mood, similar to meditation. Supports posture. Simple chest and spine stretches fight the effects of sitting all day. Reduces stress and anxiety. Deep breathing and gentle movements activate the relaxation response, helping you feel calm. So, in short, morning stretching is not just about flexibility. It's about health, energy, and mental balance. Friends, I know mornings can be hectic. You may feel lazy, busy, or not motivated. But let me remind you, if you can give just 10 minutes to your body, it will give you hours of energy, positivity, and strength in return. Think of stretching like an investment. Every stretch adds value to your health bank. And the best part, it's free, safe, and you can start at any age. So, no matter if you're a student, office worker, parent, or even a senior, this routine is for you. Start today, and in just a week, you'll notice the difference. All right, my dear friends, that was our morning stretch routine for beginners. Simple, relaxing, and so effective. If you practice this daily, you'll feel more flexible, energized, and ready to face the day with a smile. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness and health content. And don't forget to comment below, do you want me to make a follow-up routine for weight loss or flexibility? Your feedback helps us create the content you love. Thank you for watching. May your mornings always be healthy and full of energy. Take care, and see you in the next video. Best of luck!